What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 5 of my rainbow series. Today we're doing blue, so here we go. I'm just going to prime my eyelids. This is the Amuse concealer in number 2. I did a first impressions on this and that's coming soon, probably after my rainbow series. This e.l.f. palette. This is the Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette in Holy Smokes, and I'm going to take this blue right here, the deepest color in the palette. Well, I guess aside from the black. I'm going to pat this on the outer edge in a C shape, bring it into the crease. Then I'm going to go into this BR palette that I got from JB and Eves on Instagram. I'm going to go into this lightest blue right here, and I'm going to blend over that line. Now going in with a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend over that line, blend those colors together even more, and make it look seamless. Blue is a really hard color to blend out, especially if you're working with more affordable products, just because it is such a hard color to formulate. So I find that this technique works the best when working with dark blues and stuff. Taking a really tacky base and then taking the blue, the darkest blue, and packing it on, and then going over with your transitions and blending it out. I feel like that's the best way because you're getting maximum pigment, and it'll also make the shadow stick. That way you're not just blending away all the color you just packed on. Now I'm just going to take more of that blue from the e.l.f. palette. I'm going to take a really small blending brush, and I'm just going to pack and blend a little bit over that just to deepen it some more. Bring out that depth again. And then going back over with that blending brush and just softly blending and going over it. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease, and to do that I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium 20. Then I'm taking this glitter palette from Beauty Creations. I'm going to go in with this light blue right here, and I'm just going to pack that over the concealer. So because the glitter takes me so long, I'm going to do that and my lashes and lipstick and everything off camera, and I'll come back to finish this look with you guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I just went ahead and took that same blue that we used in the crease and put it on my lower lash line and blended it out with the same transitions. Yeah, so this completes the look. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a like if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe because I have more content coming out and I'd love to have you stick around. Let me know if you're enjoying the series. We are almost done. We have 1 or 2 more colors to go. I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.